2 apples cake. 2 ways. You know, you can do a lot with just 2 apples and a little bit of history. I like to make it 2 different ways, depending on who's coming through that back door. If the whole family is gathered, we go rich, using whole milk and topping it with a brown sugar glaze, toasted nuts, and butterscotch chips. We call that the gathering size. But if it's just a quiet morning, we keep it simple. This is the Sunday dinner version, a lean pantry rescue made with just a splash of water. It's light, fluffy, and lets those 2 apples really shine. Here is today's featured recipe, apple cake milk version. 13 by 9, baking pan. 1 cup brown sugar, 1 cup white sugar, 1/2 cup shortening, 2 1/2 cups flour, 2 cups diced apples, 2 eggs, 1 cup milk, 1/2 teaspoon salt, and 1 teaspoon soda. Topping: 2/3 cup brown sugar, 1/3 cup Oleo, butter, 1/2 cup chopped nuts, and butterscotch chips. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 to 45 minutes. Cream together 1 cup brown sugar, 1 cup white sugar, and 1/2 cup shortening. Then add 2 eggs, 1 cup milk, 2 1/2 cups flour, 1 teaspoon soda, and 1/2 teaspoon salt. Mix well. Now, fold in the 2 cups of apples. Grease a 13 by 9 baking pan. Pour batter into pan. Add your toppings on top of batter and bake at 350 degrees for 40 to 45 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean. Baking is love made visible. Well now, look at that. You can smell the apples clear across the kitchen. That's how you know it's ready. Golden on top, bubbling just right. That brown sugar's melted down into every corner. That'll do. Let it sit a minute. Don't rush a good cake. Here is your bonus extra recipe. Simple ingredients, honest cooking. The secret ingredient is always love. Small apple cake. 1 cup sugar. 1/2 cup Oleo. 1/2 cup water. 2 cups chopped apples. 1 1/2 cup flour. 1 teaspoon soda. 1 teaspoon salt. Cream sugar and Oleo and water. Blend together dry ingredients with wet ingredients. Fold in apples. Pour into greased 9 by 9 pan and bake at 300 degrees for 45 minutes or until golden and toothpick come out clean. A perfect Sunday treat. Baking is love made visible. Thank you for joining us today. Like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed today's recipe. From our home to your home, see you next time. Be blessed.